What up, y'all? It's a pretty shitty rainy day today, so I'm staying home, not going out. I'm gonna show y'all today how to field strip my favorite pistol, the P226 field strip, and reassemble it together. Let's get it, man. It's a very simple operation to field strip the P226. First of all, remove your mag, rock the slide bag and lock in place. Put the lever down to 60 degrees. Rock the slide back again and separate it. You can take the guy rod and the recoil spring out, separate it to clean it, and then take the barrel out, and that's it. Now to put it back together, put the barrel back in, guy rod and recoil spring back together, line it up, rock it back in here, and just line the slide back, lock it, put the lever back, and decock it, do a function check, make sure it's rocking properly, decock it again, and that's it, man. Real simple. Yeah, this is a beautiful pistol, very accurate and easy to take apart, and I love shooting this one, man. So you know, if you got a pal, I recommend this pistol for sure, man. Anyways, it's your boy Daddy Chang. I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.